Free Transform is the easiest and fastest tool to transform the objects in Photoshop. You can go to the top menu, edit, and find Free Transform. Or use the shortcut Command+T if it's a Mac, or Control+T if it's a PC. Then you will find that multiple little squares appear around the object after. You can click and drag these squares to adjust the size of the object. Of course, by default, the ratio will be fixed. You can also adjust the size in detail in the Free Transform option bar, or deselect the fixed ratio. This way, you can adjust the object without keeping the ratio fixed. One more tip here is that by holding the Shift key, you can also adjust without keeping the ratio fixed. When you hold the Option or Alt key, the Free Transform tool will start from the center of the object. You can also hold Shift plus Option or Alt key at the same time to transform like a crazy. Another very convenient way to use Free Transform is to hold the Option or Alt and drag the anchor point directly. Of course, when using the Free Transform tool, you can just right-click to try a different flip. To rotate an object, you just need to put the mouse on any corner of the object, and a rotation icon will appear. Just click and drag, you will be able to rotate the object. If you hold Shift while rotating, the Free Transform tool will force you to rotate 15 degrees at a time. To confirm any transform or rotation, you only need to click Confirm in the option bar, or press Enter to apply it. Don't forget, the Free Transform tool can be applied to all types of layers. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.